Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will learn 10 amazing qualities of people who like to be alone. Now let's begin. Do you spend a lot of time by yourself? If the answer is yes, you probably have what's known as an introverted personality. You may be the type of person who feels drained around large group of people, while others thrive in busy social settings. You enjoy relaxing, creating, or pursuing your passions behind closed doors. Most of your favorite activities are done in the comfort of your own home, which at least partially explains why you spend so much time alone. Unfortunately, many introverts are criticized and misunderstood. You may have heard people call you shy, quiet, or antisocial. They might assume you are a lousy communicator, a neglectful partner, or an unreliable friend. They may think it's strange that you can go multiple days without talking to people and don't understand how you find happiness without social connections. They may think less of you become you don't have hundreds of friends or vast professional network. This might be a problem for an extroverted person, but introverted, solitary personalities don't find as much meaning in the same achievement, and that's often what makes them so interesting. A surprisingly large percentage of the population falls into this category of loner type personality. Some are highly gifted and driven individuals who use their ample alone time to pursue fantastic goals and dreams. Solitude allows these talented people to dive deep into their own heads, exploring complex problems and reflecting on the world around them. But the qualities of solitary personalities are not limited to creative or intellectual gifts. There is common stereotype that introverts don't know how to interact with people. People assume you can't make friends or form meaningful relationships because you spend a lot of time alone. In reality, solitary people possess amazing and unique social strength that in many cases strengthen the bond they form with other people. For example, introverted people typically maintain friendship for longer periods, sometimes their entire lives, because they invest in the depth and qualities of their connections. People assume longer don't have much to offer, but most of the time that couldn't be further from the truth. To prove how incredible solitary people can be, let's explore 10 amazing qualities of people who spend most of their time alone. First one is easy to please introvert. Don't ask for much from the people around them, and most of the time just want to be left alone. While others seek out expensive hobbies and thrilling experience, you are perfectly content with a quiet evening at home, reading a book or working on a creative pursuit. For extroverted personalities, this can be difficult to wrap their heads around, but solitary people don't require much to find happiness. And second one is goal driven motivation. Goal setting is one area where introverted personalities excel. They are driven and disciplined people who strive to make their dreams a reality, but they don't do it for other people. Some people work tirelessly on our goals for their goals because they want attention or validation. They want to stand in the spotlight, but solitary people are not interested in making good impressions. They set lofty goals and work so hard to achieve them because those goals are intrinsically meaningful. In other words, they do the things they love because they love them. Their genuine passion gives them the quiet but powerful motivation to excel and succeed. Number 3 is thriving in silence. For some people, nothing is worse in a conversation than a moment of silence. They will say anything to avoid an awkward lapses in the conversation, but people who like to be don't feel the same social pressure. They are comfortable with silence because that's how they spend most of their time. When you spend most of your time alone, silence is hardly anything new. The fourth one is the value of time. For solitary people, time is a precious resource they treasure. The moment they spend alone doing things they love and don't like wasting their time on anything else, because introverts respect their own time and resources. They are quality respectful of the time and resources of others. They rarely ask people for favors unless absolutely necessary and never expect anyone to care for them. Introverts consistently give others respect and independence because they want the same things for themselves. Number 5 is talk a little, learn a lot. Solitary people spend a lot of time inside their heads. They enjoy the act of thinking, like anyone else might enjoy a hobby or a passion. In moments of peace and quiet, they dive deep into their minds, often to reflect, explore, or create something new. For a solitary person, doing nothing can be a stimulating and rewarding use of their time, because solitary people spend a lot of time thinking. They almost always have unique and exciting things to say. People who talk a lot but only learn a little end up repeating the same story and recycling old information, rarely ingesting anything new. Solitary people talk little but learn a lot, so they have plenty of ideas to explore. People may think it's strange how much time you spend lost in your thought, but your passion for reflection makes you more interesting than you realize. So here is number 6, the spectator mentality. Introverts tend to be hyper aware of the world around them. For the same reason, they make good listeners. Solitary people tend to be keen observers too. They have an exceptional eye for detail and pay close attention to minor change in their environment. For example, if someone gets a new haircut, an introvert will probably notice long before anyone else. Strong observational powers lead some introverts to adopt what's known as a spectacular spectator mentality. They view the world from a distance, especially in social situations, almost like a spectator watching an event from the sidelines. Because of this unique perspective, introvert notice patterns that other people don't, gaining meaningful insights into things like human nature or societal expectation. They rarely voice their discoveries out loud, but thanks to their observational powers, solitary people are often wise beyond their years. Number 7, habit of alone people, unstoppable self-sufficiency. Working with a solitary person has a learning curve. They don't perform especially well in team environments, but their drive and self-sufficiency are unparalleled. When left alone, introverts will put their heads down and work quietly on the things they love, whether anybody is watching or not. They may not like to network or socialize, but introverted personalities shine when left to their own devices. The number 8 is excellence in communication. Introverted personalities excel at communicating complex ideas. Not only do they spend more time thinking about complex subjects, but they also enjoy activities like reading or writing that naturally develop their communication skills. For example, introverts know how to organize and express ideas to create explanation anyone can understand. If you are a solitary person, you may not like talking to people all the time. But when you do talk, people listen. So here are number 9. Finely tuned listeners. Solitary people may not be the loudest or the most forthcoming people in the world, but somehow their conversation seems to last longer than anyone. They know how to take an interest in people's lives, empathize with their problem, and ask thoughtful questions that others appreciate. But what really sets them apart from the crowd is their highly tuned listening skill. Solitary people are used to being the quietest in the room while others practice sharing and talking. They have spent their lives honing their listening skill. They know when to pay attention and how to show engagement with well-timed gestures and comments. Not many people know how to really listen when others talk, but solitary people make it look easy. So here are number 10 and last, protectors of privacy. Few people understand the importance of personal privacy better than an introvert. They rarely share personal information and only spill secret to people they really trust because they are so private. Solitary people treat others people secret with the same level of respect. If you tell something private to a solitary person, you can be sure they will never break your trust. Why? Because they don't see the value in telling other people. A solitary person would rather earn your trust and preserve your friendship than use your secret for personal gain. For this reason, solitary people make some of the most trustworthy friends and partners you will ever know.